Waste your time, keep scrolling online. Another day gone. Tell yourself you're doing just fine. What could go wrong? We'll navigate our days through graveyards of glasses thrown away. You know we'll keep
Yung bibig mo nga, makihingat ka pa.
As I start to lose my head again, keep thinking every stranger is like you. Be falling hard, be falling fast, but in the end I'll never be like you. I start to lose my head again, keep thinking every stranger.
At first, I could not believe that we have reached 25 years married. I remember when we started, talagang struggle tayo, we had nothing but love.
25 years feels like yesterday. Naalala ko pa kung paano mo ko pinakilig nung high school. From puppy love to forever.
Days go by so high and light. The memories of you. Try so hard to.
Na-realize ko, until now, if we love each other, kahit ano pa ang dumating na trials, malalagpasan natin with the help of God.
I am thankful and grateful na ikaw ang kasama ko sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at saya, sa kalakasan at kahinaan.
I start to lose my head again, keep thinking every stranger is like you. Be falling hard, be falling fast, but in the end I'll never be like you.
I remember pa noon, first time kong umalis going to abroad, Charmaine was only 1 year old and the two boys still also small. Iniisip ko kung paano kayo kung wala ako sa tabi niyo. But you motivated me. You said, I'm leaving abroad for our future.
Marami man tayong pagsubok na dinaanan, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil nalampasan natin lahat, kapit kamay at walang bumibitiw. Naging mas matatag tayo at mas minahal ang isa't isa.
Never be like you. I start to lose my head again, keep thinking every stranger is like you. Be falling hard, be falling fast, but in the end I'll never be like
You are right. Kahit pa paano, na-produce natin ang mga pangailangan ng ating mga anak. At ngayon, if you see them now, they have a good foundation because of you. You taught them the right manner, how to respect people, and ang importante na may takot sila sa Diyos. Despite na wala ako sa tabi mo, ng matagal na panahon.
Sabi nga sa kanta, mahiwaga, pipiliin ka araw-araw. I am blessed with the beautiful family that we created. Kung ibabalik ang panahon, ikaw pa din ang pipiliin ko makasama habang buhay.
I don't know what to do. I don't know how to change their point of view.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary, parents. I hope you stay in love forever. And since we already had the wedding in the church, so I hope that you make God and faith the center of your relationship. Happy wedding anniversary.
Thank you, Kuya.
Caught the wind, don't let it go.
Happy 25th anniversary. Wishing you the best in life and always trust God and never ever never doubt never ever doubt your love
Never
for
have
each
I
other. And,
Thank you. Love you.
love you.
They cut the trees and drew the the ocean for surrender.
Happy 25th
Happy birthday.
wedding anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. And I know I don't say this every day, pero love ko kayo. And sana marami pa tayong memories together for you to get me more. To get to know me more.
To get me more.
To get to know me more ngayon lang.
Thank you, Chami. Love you.
Caught the wind, don't let it blow.
And now, and finally, this moment is for us. Church wedding na tayo, in front of God and in front of everyone. I cannot promise you that I'm always there beside you, and I cannot promise you to love you forever, but I can say, up to my last breath, your name mo lang, Leia, ang aking babanggitin. At ikaw lang aking mamahalin hanggang sa kabilang buhay. I love you so much, Mami Leia.
Thank you. Happy silver anniversary to us. And I'm looking forward in celebrating our golden anniversary. I love you so much.
Lost our way, don't lose our hope. Caught the wind, don't let it
Congrats to my brother. My youngest brother.
Congratulations, narating mo yung ganyang status ng buhay.
Oh, umiyak.
Congrats po sa inyong dalawa. Congrats!
Thank you.
Do I fight or help untie a restless mind that tries to keep it all in? All your life you stepped inside of someone's life that won't let your heart win. So go ahead and make your stand. Get up and throw away your plans. Try to open. The times that you were feeling low, remember that the world still shows you were something. All I want to know from love.
Kumbaga sa pagkakataon ito ay isang blessing sa inyo na kayo ay makatagal ng 25 years. Alam ko na marami kayong pinagdaanan. Hindi ka ba ng chicks, di ba? Mga ganun na mga lalaki eh. Hindi ba ng chicks yan? Oh. Sabi ko, hindi ba ng chicks yan? Oo, ng chicks. Nada pa. Okay lang yun. Kasi, alam mo, nag-celebrate din ako ng 25 years as a Franciscan Capuchin. Nung ako ay nag-profess, sabi ko sa Panginoon, Lord, hindi ako titingin sa iba. Nakatingin pa ako sa altar, doon sa lumang simbahan. Pero sabi mo, dadapa din ako. Bumangon. Tumingin ako sa harapan ko, tumingin ako sa kaliwa at sa kanan sa likod. Nadapa, pero bumangon. Ikaw, Lay, bukal ba sa ilo ang iyong pagparito upang makasalibdib si Noel na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Out of warm, cold heart. All I want to know from love is how to make a new start. Would you take me there? Somewhere you know.
At ikaw, Noel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ay iyong pagparito upang makasidibdib si Lay na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Riding your back when you think you're slipping. Lean your head when you're driving home. Let you sleep in the cold of the winter. Warm the house with the clothes you wore. Just lead on, I'll come. Just lead on, I'll come. Take you home when you feel too heavy. Hold your chest when you cannot breathe. Lay me down in the light and the heather. When I rest by the willow tree. Just lean on, I'll come. 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 Hold your hair at the bank of the river. Watch the hills from the window pane. Wear your dress for the warm of the summer. Roll me out for the coming day. Just lead on, I'll come.
So Lay, humingi ko sa kanya, sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Noel na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituturin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakulong sa kanya ng sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalang ka bang balikating sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Just lean on, I'll come.
At ikaw naman, Noel, sumasangayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Lay na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkukulong sa kanya ng sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Nakalang ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Leia, kailanman hindi kita patatak sila. Isuot mo at pangingatan ang singsing na ito. Grasya ng tanda ang aking pag-ibig at katapat. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, Espiritu Santo,
Still feel loving all that other stuff. Would you stone me if I kept unpacking stuff? And would you feel seen if
Noel, kailanman ay di kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
they gave me the night off? If I swore I wouldn't call home anymore, I guess the race is on. Do you still get chills? Still get cold enough? Would you stone me if I kept unpacking stuff? And would you feel seen if I brought up giving up? You wouldn't believe me if I.
Tapos pag may mga nag-aaway-away pa kunwari na parang inisan, ako yung umaaway. Doon sa mga parang, alam mo yan, yung talagang, di ba, kulitan, ganyan. And ayoko umiyak eh. So dumating din naman yung time na nagkaroon ng mga problem talaga. Na sabi ko, huwag kang bibitaw. Di ba? Oo, yun. So, walang iiyak. Parang ako yung naiiyak. Kasi ang dami eh. Kahit naman sa mga ano namin, sa mga love life din namin. Yung mga ganun.
Come get me if I won't be alive. I won't realize I won't be long. Come get me if I won't be alive. I won't realize I won't be long. Come get me if I won't be alive.
So today is September 17 and my birthday is November 9. So just do the math on how far along my mom was pregnant when they got married. And yes, she was 7 months pregnant. So but yeah, I was surprised when I got invited to be the best man. But you know, everyone, I think it only makes sense that they would make me the best man because I was there when they first got married. Yeah, kumbaga, full circle moment. I want to follow my dad's footsteps. Ambitious, generous, and forever quirky. So I followed him literally when I was 9 years old, and still at 24, celebrating their 25 years of wedding anniversary with my mom, I want to follow how he's very disciplined in handling money. Pera talaga, no? He might be generous, but he's also very kuripot. I would listen to him for money advice, and he would also say, if may problema sa car, let's fix it, kasi masisira talaga yan kasi ginagamit natin. Sometimes he would complain, but he would always end up paying for it. So yun lang, familiar pattern in our lives na gusto kong sinusundan yung dad ko, even when I was younger until now. So, Dad, congratulations, and Mom, for your 25th wedding anniversary. And thank you.
All these dusty roads, but they're taking us to nowhere new.
I wish you more healthy and wealthy years of togetherness. Always love and respect each other. And most of all, put God in the center of your relationships. Wish you more years. Love you all.
This for so long, wouldn't change it for all the gold on the ocean floor. Darling, you're the only one.
ang plano nyo sa buhay ay plano ko na rin. At nakikita ko naman na maayos kayong magpatakbo sa mga anak mo na hindi tulad sa iba na malayo ang parents pero ang mga bata ay maayos. Hindi siya naligaw ng landas. Kaya congratulations at ipagpatuloy nyo kung ano man ang magandang tatahakin pa sa mga bata. Huwag niyong pababayaan ang mga bata.
On the ocean floor, darling, you're the only one. The road is long and the sea is full of gold. Honey, I don't
Mom,
wanna go.
thank you for being the perfect example of how beautiful love can be. You've been there for us through ups and downs. I hope someday I will find someone that will love me as much as you love me. And to Dad, thank you for everything. You became my standard. I admire how you make Mom so happy. How you treat Mom with such love and respect. Wait lang, nanginginig ako. Your kindness and dedication to her are a powerful example of what great partner should be. And once again, happy silver wedding anniversary. And I love you both.
I'm on my way to something new, and so are they, and so are you. Back to a time we all went through, leaving the grown-up times behind. Put in reverse, go back in time.
Mommy,
Waking up stories that turn
very
back.
supportive kasi ni Mommy. Like, ano ba yan nanginginig? Ano ba yung ba't ako naiiyak? Bago siya umalis, siya yung kasama ko sa lahat. Tapos, ngayon, wala na akong kasama. Bakit ako naiiyak? Siguro kay Daddy naman is yung tuwing nandito siya sa Pilipinas, gusto ko, most of the time, yun nga, clingy. Lagi lang ako nakasama sa mga lakad niyo, ganon. And, yun lang, lagi mo akong chine-check kapag nasa kwarto. Okay ka lang, ang ginagawa mo dyan. Ganon. Yung mga little things na yun, malaki na yun sa akin.
We come in line, Vienna mine. You shake my mind, you're a living thing. With all the streets that are so bright, you wouldn't need a morning light.
Okay?
Moving
Well,
along
nalikan mo
from
na ang
side
minamahal
to
na
side.
asawa. Alright.
When our dreams we start to fade, I'll make the call and take that train. Too many memories remain. Will you follow tomorrow on a route